So hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel NUTRAHARMONY subscription if you have purchased any product related to NUTRAHARMONY, okay, and by mistake if you have choose this option like subscribe and save, and by mistake if you have activated subscription on your account, so how you can cancel it. So the cancellation is very easy. First of all, you need to read their cancellation policy. Once your order is confirmed, your email, they will send you an email, confirmation email, and you have a link in your order. You can manage your subscription from there. This is the only way, okay. If you don't have any kind of link, if by mistake if you have deleted your email, if you have by mistakenly if you have any issue, so how you can cancel it, okay. So you can send then an email. The email format you can see on your screen. This is the email format, and the email should be like in this format. You can take help from ChatGPT also. And once your email is done, you need to ask in the end like proof of cancellation. And once you've done all these things, you need to send this email at their email address. Email address you can easily get, you can like on their official website. When you visit on their official website, they have provided their email address, and you need to send this email at their email address, and make sure you ask a proof of cancellation, okay, in written form. And if you don't get any proof of cancellation, it means your subscription is still active and they are going to charge on your account. If you get a proof of cancellation from their side, it means your subscription is ended, now you are free. So this is the only method by which you can cancel your NUTRAHARMONY subscription. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.